This video is available in English and Hindi.
Are we just jagged lines across a bare sea? Are the shapes inside the sunday the same as the arms of trees and saying we're shelf what we used to be?
Namaskar. Welcome back to your channel Simplify Your Space. Many of us struggle to find the time to prepare all 3 meals due to our busy work schedules. After long hours at work, we come home feeling exhausted and reluctant to spend another hour in the kitchen cooking. We long for quick and convenient meal options. In today's video, I will share some helpful tips for faster cooking routine, allowing you to enjoy fresh meals in just a few minutes. Let's get started. Firstly, make sure to replenish your weekly pantry supplies and spices for a smoother cooking flow, which will ultimately expedite the cooking process. By keeping your pantry well stocked, you eliminate the need for frequent trips to the store, allowing for an efficient workflow. According to the family needs and taste, restock your pantry for entire week, which saves time by eliminating interruptions and delays caused by running out of ingredients. Having a variety of ingredients at hand provides convenience, flexibility in meal planning, and the ability to adapt recipes based on personal preferences. This approach reduces stress by ensuring you have everything you need, resulting in a more enjoyable and efficient cooking experience. To expedite your cooking process, having a well-organized cooking space is essential. The key is to keep frequently used items easily accessible near your cooktop, minimizing the need for constant movement and searching. Arrange items such as sugar and tea canisters, oil bottles, knives, chopping boards, mortar and pestle, and other commonly used ingredients within reach. Consider utilizing a visually appealing wooden tray or rack to not only keep things organized but also add aesthetic value to your kitchen. Avoid cluttering the countertop by haphazardly placing items, as this can hinder your routine and slow you down. Additionally, designate a specific area or shelf near the cooktop specifically for spices, ensuring easy access and eliminating the need to rummage through cabinets or drawers. By having everything conveniently within reach, you can focus on cooking and save valuable time during meal preparation. Efficient cooking relies on good visibility, and storing food in transparent containers can greatly assist in saving time. By using clear containers in both the pantry and fridge, you can easily locate and retrieve ingredients without shifting through multiple containers or packages. In the pantry, transfer grains, dals, cereals, and snacks to transparent containers for quick inventory checks. This allows you to see what you have at a glance and grab what you need effortlessly. Apply the same approach in the fridge by using clear containers or stackable boxes for leftovers, fruits, vegetables, and perishables. This not only keeps the fridge organized but also facilitates easy item identification. Maintaining a well-organized pantry and fridge with transparent storage containers not only saves time but also reduces food waste. Measuring ingredients is an essential practice that can significantly improve your cooking experience. Not only does it help make cooking faster, but it also reduces food waste. By using measuring cups, kitchen scales, or even household items like katori or glass, you ensure accuracy and precision in your recipes. As an example, I employ a glass to measure rice in my cooking routine. 1 glass of rice is adequate for the 3 of us. When it comes to dal, I utilize a quarter measuring cup using 1/4 cup for a single serving. For dishes like poha or upma, I rely on a small katori. Accurate measurements guarantee consistent results, as different ingredients have varying densities and affect the overall flavor and texture of your dish. By eliminating guesswork and the need for adjustments during cooking, you save valuable time in the kitchen. Always make use of time-saving tools. Handy tools that can make vegetable preparation a breeze, significantly reducing the time compared to manual methods. I have previously showcased one of these tools in my recent videos. However, some of you commented that it did not work as demonstrated. So allow me to demonstrate it again and show you how it actually works. Begin by cutting an onion, potato, tomato or any vegetable into 2 halves. Place one half under the dicing or chopping cutter. Then firmly press down on the lid 2-3 times using the palm of your hand. The vegetables will be effortlessly cut in no time. It is crucial to press the lid properly to achieve the best results. Additionally, this tool can also slice vegetables quickly, making it perfect for creating sandwiches and salads, saving plenty of time in the kitchen. Furthermore, a string chopper is ideal for finely chopping onions, tomatoes or vegetables like green beans and carrots. By incorporating these time-saving tools into your kitchen routine, you can significantly reduce the amount of time spent on chopping and slicing, making your cooking process much faster and more efficient. As for cleaning, it is not a challenge at all. The chopper is very easy to wash. Simply press the lid button from the top and you will be able to clean the presser easily. Prepping helpful ingredients in advance such as grating paneer, boiling chana, potato, preparing sprouts, making chutney or instant pickle, and roasting peanuts can significantly expedite the cooking process. These tasks save valuable time, allowing you to focus solely on cooking when you need it most. By completing time-consuming steps ahead of time, you eliminate the need to perform them during meal preparation, streamlining your cooking and making it faster. Additionally, having these ingredients readily available provides convenience, especially on busier or sick days when cooking becomes challenging. Making homemade premix of peanut chutney, upma, dosa or other dishes ensures you have quick and easy meal options for those days when you are unable to cook. They are straightforward to make and you can store them for months. With these premixes, you just need to add water and let them sit for 7 to 8 minutes and they'll be ready. You can also carry them to your office or while traveling. This preparation not only saves time but also allows you to enjoy delicious homemade meals without the hassle. We have a dedicated playlist on weekly meal prep. If interested, you can check out the link in description box. To save time in kitchen, you can invest in helpful appliances such as an Instapot or electric pressure cooker. Since I've gotten this, it has really made my cooking a breeze. Sometimes when I'm busy shooting a video and know that I may not get a break to cook lunch, I just add dal, rice and veggies with water and spices and set the timer. It automatically starts at a certain time and by the time I finish shooting the video, the hot and fresh vegetable khichdi is ready. It can make a variety of dishes the same way we cook on a gas stove. Similarly, an air fryer can significantly expedite cooking, and by maximizing the use of your air fryer, you save time and effort. For instance, you can swiftly prepare a sabzi using your air fryer. Begin by placing diced potatoes and cauliflower into the air fryer, then set the timer for 12 minutes. While these cook, you can proceed to make the tadka for the sabzi and prepare chapati. Once the air-fried potatoes and cauliflower are ready, combine them with the prepared tadka, mix well, and your meal will be ready in no time. Likewise, when preparing poha, frying potatoes and peanuts in the air fryer allows you to cook them simultaneously, streamlining the process and making it faster. These gadgets enable multitasking and efficient meal preparation, making your cooking process quicker and more convenient. In conclusion, these time-saving tips or habits will help you make your cooking routine easier and efficient even when you are short on time. We have more videos on time-saving hacks and tips. You can check out the links in the description box. Hope you enjoyed today's video. We'll see you all next week. Happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye-bye.